So here's what we're going to do. We're going to actually put together a radio flyer. Scooter to scooter. All right. We're going to do this together. Yeah, together. All right. So let's see how this goes. This ought to be fun. This is our first project, kind of putting something together like this as a father-daughter type thing. Okay, first thing we do, we have to read the instructions first. All right. Oh, you didn't work on your car? Is that what you see Daddy do all the time? Hitting stuff with the hammer to try and make it work? Huh? Is that what you do? You fixing it? Fix it, Ryan. Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's get your scooter fixed now, okay? Let's see what we need to do. Okay? Yes, I'm gonna read the instructions. Now that that goes there, let's see. It's 10. Oh, I need this piece now. Okay. So this goes in here, like this. Let's have it backwards. Backwards. Oh, good call, Ryan. Good call. See? And then it stays like that. Okay, now hold on. We're going to put all these in here now. You want to hit it? Okay. Here, hit that. You ready? Hit the other side. Use the other side. Turn it around. Turn it around. There you go. Let me show you. You hit it with this side. Hold it. Okay. Oops. Okay, you ready? Here. That's it. Hold it. You hit it. Okay. All right. I'm really trusting you. Hit it. Good. Again. Good. One more time. All right. Daddy's turn. job. That was quick. Okay, watch your head. Watch your head. There you go. Safety first, Ryan. Can you say safety first? Safety first. That's right. Alright. You're so welcome, baby. So welcome. Let's do one more. Ooh, look at that. Whoa. Now push with your foot.
You are such a big girl.
Let me show you. Put it in. Push, push, push. There you go. See? All right, Ryan, you ready to give this radio flyer a test? Oh, you got something in your chin. There you go. All right, let's go. You want to give it a test drive? Huh? There you go. Let's see. Oh, good job. I say it's a success. Huh, Ryan? Go ahead. Okay, let's turn around. Let's turn around. You ready? Come on. You gotta come this way, silly. You gotta come this way. Go, 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 go. Whoa! Yeah, there you go. Push, push. I will say this thing's durable. My daughter's already put it to the test. As you can see, first 10 minutes and she figured it's that she could just throw it. On the other side, love. On the other side. There you go. Go to mama. As you can see, very durable. I'm kind of glad we went this route rather than the other one, because within the first 20 minutes this thing has already proven that it's very durable, easy to use, and you're doing a good job. Come all the way, Dad. Come here. Come this way. There you go. You turn. It's Daddy's camera. You gonna show us your trick? You gonna show me your trick? Let's see. Ooh, you doing a handstand? Nice. Go bring your. You're doing good. Come on. You wanna hold the camera? Okay, you hold the camera. Okay. So what are you videotaping? You gonna videotape Daddy? Here, videotape Daddy. Ready? You ready? There you go. Your turn. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Ryan. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.